In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Capcut on PC. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open any browser in your system. In my case, I'm going to open Google Chrome. Once you have opened your browser, you are going to type into the search box for Capcut and then hit enter. After that, you will be able to see here the official website of Capcut on the top, which is www.capcut.com. So you're going to click on this link to open the website. Once the website has been loaded up, you will be able to see here this kind of interface. First of all, we have the option to sign up, which is for free. And if you scroll down more, you will be able to see here two options. First of all, we have the option to edit video online, and the second option we have is to download for Windows. So if you are using Mac, instead of this second option, you will be able to see here an option saying download for Mac. So you are going to click on the second option, which is based on the system you are using. In my case, as I am using Windows, I am going to click on download for Windows. After that, you will be redirected to another page and the Capcut will be downloaded according to your internet speed. You can see the installation by clicking on this download button over here, located at the upper right side of the screen. And as we can see here, the Capcut has been downloaded in my PC. So you're going to click on the file located here. And after that, the Capcut will start the installation process in your computer. You are just going to wait until the installation process has been completed. As the loading has been completed, the Capcut in your PC will be installed, and you can click here on Create Project to start editing a video.